Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to basically clear your browsing history on Amazon. So the first thing, you want to ensure that you sign into your account, and once you sign into your account, on the upper right hand side you'll have a hello and your name there, and you have the account and list. Now if you look under the account section, you have the option that says browsing history. You can click on that and you'll be able to see your browsing history. Now to clear your browsing history, all you have to do is just simple click and remove. So any products that you don't want to show up there, you can just simple click and remove, click and remove, click and remove. And basically once you remove these items from your browsing history, then you will no longer have anything there. And as you can see, I remove all those. Now you can also click the gear on the upper right hand side and you will have the option to remove all. So as you saw there before, I basically remove one by one. But if I go ahead and I view a couple more items, let's say I click on something here and let's say open up a few more items. I'm going to open up a few more items here. Just basically review these items. So let's say I'm looking at this, and let's say I'm looking at this, and let's say I'm looking at this product. So all these treasury products basically go into my browsing history, right? So another way how you can easily remove them is by simply hovering over it again on the upper right hand side, account and list, go down to your browsing history. You'll find those products in your browsing history, and instead of removing them one by one, click the gear on the upper right hand side, and here you'll have the settings. It says remove all items from the view. You can simply tap on that, or you can basically pause the history. So you can pause for the history for today, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, and you also have more options as well to basically turn on or off the browsing history, right? So you have this basic option here. So to clear the browsing history, just simply click on remove items and you have all of that removed and clear all in one go. So that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and clear your browsing history on Amazon.